Forever on the fridge, I'm by your side. Under that Corinthians magnet that you got from church one night, and the flash came out of nowhere as it froze your hand in mine. Forever on the fridge, I'm by your side. And we were laughing at the rice stuck in our hair. You said, slow down on your drinking, boy, or I'll leave your ass right here. And then we drove off in that rental like we stole it out of there, just laughing at the rice stuck in our hair. No sooner did the honeymoon find its end, we were 5 years from retirement, with a garden, 3 grown kids, and I traded in my whiskey for lemonade by then. You were proud I put down drinking, so I never picked it up again. And I'd never seen that picture in my whole life, until the kids came across it looking through your things one night. They framed it and displayed it at the funeral. Babe, what a sight. Then I put it on the fridge to stand forever by your side.